Hello students, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing well. Today we discuss essay on street crimes. It is very important essay for all classes, especially for 9, 10, first year and second year. और अगर इस essay को छोटी classes के बच्चे भी यूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो वो इसमें शॉर्ट कर लें. इस essay को पैराग्राफ थोड़ी से कम कर दें तो फिर छोटी क्लासेस के बच्चे भी इस essay को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो फिर जल्दी से वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले पैराग्राफ है इंट्रोडक्शन. कराची, द लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान, इज़ नोन फॉर इट्स विब्रेंट कल्चर. विब्रेंट मीन्स मुतहर्रिक, इकोनॉमिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड डाइवर्स population. However, beneath its dynamic exterior, Karachi grapples. Grapples mean hatapai with a pressing issue, street crime. Street crime in Karachi has become a significant menace. Menace means khatra, affecting the safety, security, and quality of life of its residents. These essay delves into the cases. Delves means छानबीन करना, consequence and possible solution to address this alarming issue. Cases of street crime in Karachi. Several factors contribute to the prevalence of street crime in Karachi. Understanding these root causes is essential for developing effective solutions. Poverty. Poverty means ghurbat. A substantial portion of Karachi population lives in poverty. Unemployment and lack of basic necessities force some individuals to turn to criminal activities such as theft and mugging. Mugging means chori, to make ends meet. Unemployment. Unemployment means berozgari. The city's rapid population growth outpaces the creation of job opportunities. As a result, many young people are left without legitimate means choice, means to support themselves, leading them towards criminal activities. Overpopulation. Karachi's overcrowding exacerbates mean बढ़ा देता है the challenges of law enforcement. The city's vast means वसी, and dense population make it easier for criminal to blend into the crowd and evade capture. Evade means बचना. Inactive law enforcement. The police force in Karachi faces a shortage of personal resources and training, making it difficult to combat street crime effectively. Corruption within the police force also contributes to the problem. Drugs addiction. The prevalence of drug addiction in Karachi has a direct correlation. Correlation means irtibat with street crime. Many addicts resort to crime to support their habit. Consequence of street crime. The consequences of street crime in Karachi are far reaching and affect individuals, communities, and the city as a whole. Fear and insecurity. Street crime creates an atmosphere of fear and insecurity among the city's residents, making it challenging for them to go about their daily lives without constant worry. Loss of property and livelihood. Livelihood means zariya maash. Victims of street crime often suffer financial losses, including theft of personal belongings, money, and even loss of employment if they are unable to commute to work safely. Erosion of trust. Erosion means कटाव. A high crime rate erodes. Erodes means मिट जाता है. Trust in law enforcement and the criminal justice system, making it less likely for victims to report crimes and cooperate with authorities. Economic impact. The prevalence of street crime can deter. Deter means rokna. Investment and business development, hindering economic growth in Karachi. Hindering means rukawat. Social disintegration. Street crime can contribute to the breakdown of social bonds as communities become more insular and residents become distrustful of their neighbors. Possible solutions. Addressing street crimes in Karachi requires a comprehensive approach involving government agencies, civil society, and the community. Improve law enforcement, invest in training resources and personnel to enhance the capabilities of the police force, implement a merit based hiring system to reduce corruption and increase accountability. Education and employment opportunities. Develop program to provide education and vocational training to marginalized youth, thereby reducing the allure means rughbat of criminal activities. Community engagement. Encourage community involvement in crime prevention by establishing neighborhood watch programs and fostering trust between residents and law enforcement. Rehabilitation for drugs addicts. Rehabilitation means bahali. Establish rehabilitation centers to address the issue of drug addiction, providing support and treatment for those affected. Public awareness campaigns raise awareness about the consequence of street crime and the importance of reporting crimes to law enforcement. Conclusion. Street crime in Karachi is a complex issue with deep seated cases and far reaching consequences. Addressing this menace requires a concerted effort from government authorities, civil society, and the community. By tackling the root causes, improving law enforcement, and providing education and employment opportunities, Karachi can work towards a safer and more secure future for its residents. It is essential to recognize that resolving this problem is not only a matter of security but also a step towards a more prosperous and harmonious society. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe.